What's up YouTube? Today we are going to be going over prime factorization. We're going to be finding the prime factors of different numbers. In order to do this, there are two key skills. One of them is prime numbers and one of them is factors. If you need help with either of those, click on the links in the description below. 60, we need to find the prime factors of 60. So we're going to start by finding two numbers that multiply to make 60. So we're going to start off with 2 times 30. The next thing that we do is we ask ourselves, is 2 a prime number? Is 30 a prime number? Well, is 2 a prime number? Yes. Only two factors. 1 times 2. Is 30 a prime number? No. We can still keep going. So what we do is we keep going from 30. Two numbers that multiply to make 30. 2 times 15. And it's the same thing. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, circle it. Is 15 a prime number? No, keep going. What multiplies to make 15? 3 times 5. Is 3 a prime number? Yes, circle it. Is 5 a prime number? Yes, circle it. So now we're finished. So we have got 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 for a good answer, or for an absolutely fantastic answer, we have 1, 2, 2. So we do 1, 2, 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 5. Let's do another example now. How do we find the prime factors of 100? Well, we need two numbers that multiply to make 100. Let's do 10 times 10. 10 times 10. Is 10 a prime number? No. So we keep going. 5 times 2. Is 5 a prime number? Yes, circle it. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, circle it. 10. 5 times 2. And there we go. We've circled everything. 5 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, so we circled it. So we can write them out. We've got 5 times 2 times 5 times 2. Just writing out your circled numbers to get your answer. Or to get an even better answer, I have 1, 2, 5s. So 5 squared, 1, 2, 2s. So times 2 squared. If I had 1, 2, 3 5s, 5 to the power of 3. But I've got 1, 2 5s, so 5 squared, 1, 2 2s, so 2 squared. We're going to do one more example now. 48. So we're going to do 2 times 24. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. Circle it. 24. Two numbers that multiply to make 24. Let's do 3 times 8. Is 3 a prime number? Yes, we can circle it. 8. Is 4 times 2. Is 4 a prime number? No. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. So we circle it. 4 is 2 times 2. So our final answer is going to be, well, we've got 1, 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. And because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 2s, I can do 3 times 2 to the power of 4. Okay, I'm just going to show you now a few things that we absolutely want to avoid. Okay, first thing to avoid, do not do 1 times. If you do 1 times 8, well, 1 isn't prime, but 1 is just 1 times 1. You've got this 8 here, and you're just going to end up with 1s everywhere. It's just going to be a total mess. So do not, under any circumstance, use 1s, or it's just going to go on forever and ever and ever. So do not use 1s. Next mistake, don't use addition. The only thing that you're using is multiplication. 9 times 2 is good, but as soon as I've got to 9, I've done 5 plus 4. Why? I see it all the time and I don't understand it. Don't add. When you're doing a factor tree, you are only multiplying. Factors are numbers that multiply to make the number. You are only supposed to be doing multiplication. So only multiply, unless you want to multiply by 1, in which case, don't bother. Final mistake is check your work. Always check your work. And the best way to do that is when you've got your answer, does it make the number you wanted? 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 3, 62. It's not 93. So it's wrong. We've done this wrong. We've made a mistake somewhere. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 3 is 63. It's not 93. So let's try again. And that's how you spot mistakes, is when you got your final answer, multiply it, check that it makes the number that you're expecting. So that's how we do factor trees. You're going to need this when we do HCF and LCM, which we're going to be covering in our next video. So don't forget to come back then and like, comment, subscribe.